Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from CoinSwitch to Binance. So all you need to do is step 1, get your Binance deposit address. Open your Binance app, go to wallet, then tap deposit, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive like USDT, BTC or ETH. Next, select the correct network, make sure the network you choose will match the one you send from CoinSwitch. Copy your deposit address. Step 2, go to CoinSwitch and start withdrawal. Now open CoinSwitch, go to portfolio, choose the crypto you want to transfer and tap withdraw or send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Double check that the network matches exactly. This is super important for the transfer to work. Now step 3, confirm the transfer. Enter the amount you want to send. Review all the details and confirm the transaction. CoinSwitch will process the withdrawal and depending on the network, it may take a few minutes to show up in your Binance wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from CoinSwitch to Binance. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.